In case you follow me on YouTube, and especially if you follow me on Instagram, because there I give much more information about my personal life, about my passions, about my everyday lifestyle and so on, then you know that I'm going to spend quite a lot of time at the European part of this globe. Yeah, that's why I decided to change the time of posting my videos on YouTube. So I will continue posting on Wednesdays, but I will post them at 3 p.m. Central European Time. This time will fit perfectly for me, as well as it will also fit perfectly for some of my subscribers. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and check from time to time if the notification bell is on, if you are subscribed, because as I mentioned, YouTube will do some cleaning. If you haven't seen that other video when I talked about that, make sure you check it out in this video here. Enjoy watching, and if you'd like to subscribe to my Instagram and get more of my life and my personal life, then check out in the description below. There's a link to my Instagram account. See you there as well.